Hello friends, today I will tell you the construction activity kit pages. Now you can get a 70 plus vector quality DFY construction activity kit pages. You can choose to publish your own children coloring and activity books. Here are the details, and you can see here are the all details about this construction activity book, and the price is very less. I am giving the link in the descriptions. You can find the link and you can purchase. There are also construction activity kits and there are 5 models. Let's see first model. You will get in first model you will get 25 vector quality construction vehicle in PNG, JPG, SVG format ready to upload on Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, etc. And then you can see the safety vehicles which is used to work at site locations, at plant, at wherever. You can see the second model. Here it is. And in a third model you will get 25 dot-to-dot construction vehicles with the commercial license that allows you to use this in your book, sell them and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Now you can see I'm also want to say that I'm giving the link in the description, so you can find from there. And there is a fourth model. You will get 20 dot names construction vehicles with the commercial license that allows you to use these in your books, sell them and keep 100% of profit yourself. Now you can see the forklift, wrecking ball, skid steel loader, flatbed truck, tree sheaf, concrete mixer, water tank, tractor, excavator, labor truck, crawler, loader, motor grades, truck, roller, forestry tractor. And in a third model you will get over 10 amazing images with commercial license that allows you to use these in your books, sell them and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. You can see. And now I want to, as you see, to sweeten the deal, you will also get these 2 book covers in PDF and JPG format. Here are the 2 PDF format. You can see the construction coloring book for kids, again sorry, and a construction vehicle coloring book. Have the details. Now price is very low, as you can see. If you want to get access to construction activity kit at the lowest price possible, you must take action now, because the price starts at $15.7 and will increase with every purchase after 7 days. I would like to suggest to you to buy, because the price will increase permanently to $21 to $31. So get it now. If you come back tomorrow, the price will be higher than it is today, so don't delay. I would like to purchase it as early as possible, and the link is in the description. You can see the video again if you are confused, and you can ask me if you can ask me any query. If you want to, if you have any doubt, you can also ask me. I am giving the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching the video.